Look closely at the change in your pocket, because one tiny, dirty penny from 1942 could secretly be worth thousands of dollars, and in some rare cases, collectors have paid life-changing money for it. Yes, a coin most people ignore, toss in jars, or even drop on the ground, might actually be a hidden treasure sitting in your home right now. And the craziest part? Some of the most valuable ones look old, dark, and completely ordinary. So before you spend another penny, you might want to check the date 1942. Because this small copper coin carries one of the most mysterious stories in American coin history. Back in World War II, the United States was scrambling for metal. Copper was desperately needed for ammunition, wiring, and military equipment. Every ounce mattered. So in 1943, the U.S. Mint planned something radical. They stopped using copper for pennies. Instead, they produced steel cents coated in zinc. But here's where the mystery begins. During the transition from copper to steel, the mint's machines didn't instantly become perfect. A few leftover copper blanks, called planchets, were still sitting inside the presses. And when new coins were struck, something unbelievable happened. Those leftover copper blanks were accidentally stamped with 1943 dies, creating one of the most famous error coins ever. But here's the twist collectors don't talk about enough. Some experts believe the setup for that mistake actually started with certain 1942 pennies. Which means some 1942 wheat pennies carry rare characteristics and errors that collectors are willing to pay big money to own today. And if you know what to look for, you might be holding one. First, let's identify the basic coin. A 1942 wheat penny has Abraham Lincoln on the front, designed by Victor David Brenner. On the back, you'll see two wheat stalks framing the words, 1 cent and United States of America. This design ran from 1909 until 1958 and is known as the Wheat Penny series. Most 1942 pennies were made from 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, giving them a rich reddish-brown color when new. But over time, many have turned dark brown or almost black, which is why collectors often overlook them. And that's exactly why some valuable ones slip through unnoticed. Now here's your first shocking value reveal. A standard 1942 wheat penny in circulated condition might only be worth 20 cents to a couple of dollars. But certain versions, they can sell for hundreds, or even thousands. The difference comes down to three crucial details: the mint mark, the color, and the errors. Let's start with the mint mark. Look under the date, 1942, on the front of the coin. If there's no letter, it was made in Philadelphia. UCAD, it came from Denver. If you see an S, it was minted in San Francisco. Each location produced millions of coins, but some versions are much harder to find in high-grade condition. For example, a 1942 D wheat penny in brilliant red uncirculated condition has sold for over $3,000 at major auctions through companies like Heritage Auctions. That's a massive jump from a coin most people treat as pocket change. But now comes the second shocking discovery. Some 1942 pennies contain dramatic minting errors that collectors aggressively hunt. One of the most famous is the 1942 double die obverse. This happens when the die used to stamp the coin gets misaligned during creation, causing the design to appear doubled. If you look closely at the words, "In God We Trust," or the date 1942, you might notice the letters look slightly shadowed or doubled. Not blurry. Not worn. But clearly doubled. Collectors love this error. And depending on condition, a genuine 1942 double die penny can sell anywhere from $150 to over $1,000. But wait, the story gets even crazier. Because there's another rare variety that most people miss completely. The 1942 overdate error. On some coins, the mint reused an older die from 1941 and repunched the new year over it. Under magnification, you can sometimes see a faint 1 underneath the 2 in the date. This subtle detail turns an ordinary coin into a highly collectible piece. Some examples have sold for hundreds of dollars, especially in higher grades. And here's the part that shocks many collectors. The value of these coins often depends on color. Professional graders classify copper pennies into 3 color categories: brown, red-brown, and full red. A bright red coin means the original copper luster survived. And collectors pay serious big money for that. A 1942 wheat penny graded MS-67 red has sold for more than $10,000. Think about that. A single penny. Worth more than many used cars. But the surprises don't stop there. Because some 1942 pennies also have off-center strikes. That's when the coin blank wasn't perfectly aligned during minting, leaving part of the design missing and a crescent-shaped blank area. If the date is still visible and the strike is dramatic, collectors can pay $100 to $500 or more for these unusual pieces. Then there are lamination errors, where layers of the metal peel slightly during minting. These look like cracks or flakes running across the surface of the coin. Again, something many people mistake for damage. But collectors know it's actually a rare mint error. Now let's talk about one detail that could instantly separate a valuable coin from a common one. The rim. Look closely at the edge of the penny. A valuable example should have a sharp, raised rim all the way around. If the rim is crisp and the lettering is bold, the coin might be in high grade. And that's where prices skyrocket. Because collectors don't just want rare coins. They want beautiful rare coins. And here's a fascinating auction story. One pristine 1942 wheat penny graded MS-68 red stunned collectors when it sold for over $14,000. For a single cent. That's the kind of life-changing value hiding inside coin jars across America. But here's the twist that keeps treasure hunters searching. Some of the most valuable coins were discovered decades after they were minted. People found them in old piggy banks. Inherited coin collections. Even loose change from the grocery store. Which means the next discovery could easily come from someone just like you. Right now. Tonight. Sitting at your kitchen table. So if you want to check your own coins, remember these key clues. Look for the date 1942. Check for the mint marks D or S under the date. Examine the lettering for doubling. Look closely at the 2 in the date for signs of an overdate. Check for unusual errors like off-center strikes or metal laminations. And pay attention to color and rim sharpness. Because even one small detail can turn an ordinary coin into hidden treasure worth big money. And here's the most exciting part. Many collectors believe there are still undiscovered high-grade 1942 wheat pennies hiding in circulation or forgotten collections. Which means someone watching this video could unknowingly be holding the next coin worth thousands of dollars. So before you ignore that old penny, before you toss it in a jar, take a closer look. Because the next life-changing coin discovery might already be sitting in your pocket. And if you enjoy uncovering coins with big money value and hidden history, make sure you subscribe, because in the next video we're revealing another ordinary-looking coin that has sold for over $100,000. And chances are,